my friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are a subscriber and you've been here, and if you are new, welcome in general. I'm so happy to have you here. Today I am doing a unpackaging and unboxing of some stuff that I purchased from Brianna Showalter. She has an Etsy shop called Clever Mama, and she does Happy Mail called Poppy Post. And I picked up Poppy Post number 8, and number 9 is going to be coming in August, and I'm going to share what number 8 looks like along with a few things that I purchased from the shop, along with a little bit more information about the lovely Brianna Showalter. So let's jump in here and get started. Okay, so Poppy Post number 8 is no longer available. However, number 9 is available, and the big stuff that came in number 8 is still available. I will link that below. Each Poppy Post comes with some little goodies. So this one came with 2 bags of tea. One was a green tea and one's wild berries, which I'm really interested in trying. And then some extra gum, and I kind of think of it like she added some extra goodies and the extra gum is one of them. I just thought that was kind of funny. I don't know. Here's a little card, and the card says, Poppy Post, uplifting beauty and goodness, smiles guaranteed. And the back says, eyes full of wonder, heart open to love, spreading kindness, seeking goodness, sharing joy. And it's like a stamp outline, and it's a nice, like hard, like not hard, but good piece of cardstock. So I want to say it's got like the soft paper as well. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's nice. And this Poppy Post came with 5 greeting cards, which it's so amazing to see like the artist come out with stuff that's physical, because I get to create for a lot of people, and so I print their stuff digitally, but then when you get like a physical product, like it just makes you so proud of them. Like Brianna's shop is amazing. Again, I'm gonna link that. I hope that you check it out because she has loads of stuff in there. I want to say there's over 60 items in there right now, and it's all her hand painted stuff turned into all these cool different things. So here's the pack of cards, and I did check. These cards are still available. If you wanted to pick up these in her shop, they are called Joyful Greeting Card Set, and it's a set of 5 greeting cards with watercolor mason jars filled with hand-lettered greetings on the front. Original watercolor illustrations digitally printed, and it has a blank interior, and each one comes with a white envelope. And on the back of the card, it has her Instagram handle, which is @Brianna Showalter, and it has her website, which is www.briannashowalter.com. And on her website, you can find classes. She has classes loaded that teach you how to watercolor, and then she'll have live classes. So again, that's going to be linked below as well. And what's another just interesting thing about this is I'm kind of just learning about all the stuff that Brianna does. You just really don't know like all the things that these artists do until you start to search them out, and it's just so awesome. And this card right here is easily my favorite. I just love the colors in this card and the flowers. That one might be a hard one to give away, which sounds so bad, but I like an idea that I have for these cards is just to frame them and put them up in a room. Like they're so pretty. So you know, think about things in different ways. These cards are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And if you came here from like one of my Illustrated Faith videos, then you know that Brianna Showalter is an artist for Illustrated Faith, and I believe it was in May, she released a 100-day project, and it was called 100 Days of Looking Up, and it was 100 mason jars or different types of jars that you could fill up any way. And I just checked the Illustrated Faith shop, and those are still available. So I'm going to link those down below as well, along with a video that I made for those. So she has a love of mason jars. She shares that, and you can tell with this release, it's just so cute. So next up is the little card that came with this, and I probably should have read this first, but I didn't see it till after I opened up the cards. This just says Poppy Post number 8, June 2022. So I'm going to venture to say that each Poppy post comes with a little card like this, and this one has a quote on it that says, "A multitude of small delights constitutes happiness." And then it goes on to talk about this collection. So I'm not going to read that because you're seeing the collection, but if you get Poppy post number 9, I'm guessing it'll say August 2022, and it'll talk about that collection. So let's look at the rest of the cute stuff in this Poppy post. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a little library card, which I think is darling, like a pocket to go inside a book. And then there are 3 vinyl stickers in here going along with the jar theme, and they're absolutely darling. Here's the one that is just like the card. It says "Choose Joy" on it, and all 3 of these stickers are still available, but they are getting close to selling out. So if you want any of them, go and get them now. This one is about 2 inches wide and 3 inches tall. And again, these are vinyl stickers, so you can put on your water bottles, your laptops, wherever you want them to be. This one is a jar that says "Seek Wonder." And I would say this one's approximately 3 by 3 with the bottom matching up with the 3. And this is just a little jar filled with colorful moss and the word "Seek Wonder." And then here is "Choose Gladness." And I believe this one measured at 2 by 3, and it's like a little jar maybe filled with water or something, or a blue background with oranges in it. And I just think they're all darling. All 3 of them are still available in the shop, but they are selling out quickly. And then this is a little ephemera envelope that came in this Poppy post. And I asked Brianna if there was anything different about the Poppy post, and she said they're all pretty much exactly the same. Sometimes there's just a little bit different coloring on some of the ephemera packs. So this ephemera pack came with these little clear like jars. They're really, really cute. Hopefully you can see that well enough there. I think I put it on the yellow. I think you could actually see it better in my hand, but really cute. Like, these would be awesome for layering. Like maybe with a pattern paper or something like that, or filling it with something that you like. This one kind of reminds me of a perfume jar, and I was feeling it because like it's this real soft, like I don't know if that's plastic or what, but it's a really cool material. And now I'm putting you on fast forward just for this small section because I was fumbling through these a little bit, so it won't take forever. There's another little jar, and then she added in florals, which I thought was really cool. So when I think about like these clear pieces, I definitely think about layering or putting them in the jar. They're like good enough quality where I feel like a stitch would go through them well, so you could always like add a little stitch on the end. And then now I'm just slowing you back down here, and here's the rest of the ephemera. So there's these 2 little pieces, a lantern and a camera, and this is more of like a matte type paper. And this last little bunch, these are all stickers, and I didn't really realize it until I hit the last one. They are so cute. So there's 3 little fairy postage stamps, and I just think they are so darling. There was the one with the yellow and the green, and then this is a little girl with a purple dress on, and then a little boy like hanging in a cherry tree, which is darling. And then this is also a sticker, like a sticker stamp. And then we have this little round guy, which is really cute, and it's in a different language, so I'm not even gonna try to tell you what that says on it. And then the last 2 pieces of this Poppy post are 2 more stickers. So everything that you see on the screen right now came in Poppy post number 8. And Poppy post number 9 is already for sale. It's gonna ship out August 1st. And to give you a little bit of an idea of what's in it, there's a set of mini prints that she says you can use or have displays as postcards or note cards. There's vinyl water bottle stickers, something sweet and something to sip. So there's not a picture, but if you follow her on Instagram, I believe she gives sneaks, which is kind of cool. And here are a couple more stickers that now I've picked up on the side. So this is no longer in the Poppy post. These are just, she has a ton of really cool vinyl stickers in her shop. And if you know or don't know, my daughter is going to be a 3rd grade teacher, so anything that is school related I pick up. So maybe she can put them on her laptop or her water bottles or somewhere in her classroom or something like that. So there's 2 little stickers. Those are still available. Those will be linked below. And then this was a little surprise for me. I was not expecting this. This is a little keychain and it's really cute. The front says jammed with wonder. Again, I create for Brianna for Illustrated Faith. So thank you so much for sending me this. I love it so much. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it. I won't use it on my keychain because I don't want it to get ruined. And then this is one of my favorite things that she has in her shop. And these are little cards. And this card set is called Promises of Love. So this is a little Christian card set. It has 20 scriptures and it's illustrated obviously by Brianna Showalter. This set itself is no longer available, but you can pick this up digitally, and she has other really cute card sets. And the set came with an easel, so I'm guessing any of the other little card sets also have an easel as well. So I'll flip through these real quick so you can see them. I will link the digital set so you could go and print them out like at an office store on like a thick cardstock with a laser printer, and you could probably get them pretty identical, and they are beautiful. So as of right now, I'm looking through her shop, and again, she only has these in digital format, but in physical format, she does have hand lettered watercolor scripture. There's a set of 20, and then she also has Promises of Hope. And that's another card set of 20. So really, really pretty. And they're cards with an easel, or you can get cards only. So I love the little easel. I'm definitely going to be keeping it on my desk and just switching out her cards. And as I'm flipping through the cards here, I will read you the description on these specific cards if you want to pick up the digital set. Okay, so because there are 20 cards, I'm putting you back on fast forward just so you can see the beautiful artwork, and you can always stop it if you want to see the verses. But her description of these is: the Promises of Love card collection features a gorgeous color palette and lovely floral paintings. Each hand lettered 3.5 card, 3.5 by 3.5 card features of different promises of love from the Bible. Scriptures are a mixture of NIV and ESV. 4 pages of PDF with 6 cards per page, and then there's 3 extra blank cards. And her ideas are to tape them to your mirror, send them to friends, keep them in your wallet. The possibilities are endless. I can give you a couple more ideas. You can Bible journal with them, you can faith journal, you can art journal, you can do anything journal. You can add them into your planner. They are just so beautiful. This is kind of like one of Brianna's signature florals that she does. And it's one of my favorites. I love her flowers so much. So if you get these digitally, which are only available digitally, you could print these out on clear Mako sticker and they'd be gorgeous in your Bible, which is something I might do. I specifically love this card right here with the red on it. I mean, just look at those cards. They're so beautiful. So again, the best way to print these, in my opinion, is take them to an office store, have them printed with a laser printer. Depending on what you want to use them for, you could put them on a thick cardstock, or you could put them on clear Mako sticker paper or vellum. If you want anything outside of cardstock or paper, you need to take that in. So there's a little tip for you. So this wraps up Promises of Love, and then I'm just going to show you again here what I purchased from Brianna. Once again, I'm going to link her website, her Instagram, and her Etsy. She has, I want to say it was about 69 items in her Etsy shop right now. She's an artist for Illustrated Faith, so you can always go over to Illustrated Faith and pull up their print and pray shop and just type in her name, Brianna Showalter, and it'll bring up everything that she's ever done for Illustrated Faith, and you can buy anything digitally. I should say everything that she's ever done digitally for Illustrated Faith, and you can buy any of that at any time. So there's so much goodness in there, and I think a lot of it gets overlooked sometimes because these artists are, putting something out once every month. But make sure you go and kind of look through the archives, look through the older stuff, which is not really old, it just hasn't been released recently. So this is everything I got in my package. Again, thank you so much to Brianna Showalter for sending me out the little keychain. I appreciate that, and I hope you all will go follow her. I hope you'll get the next Poppy post. I'm probably going to get it. I'm super excited, and thank you all for watching. God bless each and every single one of you.